Step 1. Configure the computer IP address. Connect the computer to the remote control's Ethernet port through a network cable. Right-click on the network. Click to open Network and Internet settings. Click on Ethernet. Click on Change Adapter Options. Find the network port that connects the computer to the remote control receiver. Click on Properties. Click to select Internet Protocol version 4. And select Properties. Click Select to use the following IP address as. Fill in the IP address of the computer to be modified, taking 192.168.1.100 as an example. Click on Subnet Mask. Automatically generate Subnet Mask here. Click OK. Click Close.